So it might be a little overcast and gray right now from all the smoke from the BC fires. The weather might be a little cool, feeling a little fallish in the middle of July, but we can still have a little bit of summer feeling by having a summer smoothie. So come and check this out. Hi, my name's Karen and welcome to my smoothie station. Today we are making a summer smoothie. So we're going to have some banana, some mango, some pear, and we're going to have some kale. We're going to add a little bit of protein powder. I picked up some new protein powder one I haven't had for a while, but I really like from Booster Juice. Did you know you can just go in there and buy their protein powder? It's pretty good. And I'm kind of picky about protein powder with the flavors, so this one's pretty good. And we're going to add a little bit of stevia or a similar liquid sweetener. And I think that's about it. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm first going to add some water because I'm using a lot of frozen food today. I don't think I'm going to need a lot of extra water. So I'm just going to stick with the 2 cups. Okay, now I'm going to add about a cup of kale, and that might be the end of my can. Let's check this out. So I like to use freeze-dried kale or spinach in my smoothies because then I don't have to worry about it going slimy and yucky in the back of my fridge. But this is just freeze-dried. It locks in the nutrients. It's really great. So, but I'm at the end of my can. Ooh, that's perfect. Perfect. All right. So next time I'll have to open up a new can. Dump that in. Okay, so now we want to add a cup of frozen mangoes. Okay, so actually I'll put that in there. Spilt over. Break that up a little bit. Okay, let's see. Is that about a cup? It's all big chunks, so it's hard to tell. But you know what? You can kind of guess here. Okay. And then I'm going to put in some frozen pear. Now what I did was I had some pears that needed to be taken care of before I left on a little trip. So I froze them. Cut them up and froze them. So those are 2 different types of pears, but anyways, that makes about 1. So I'll just put that in. And my hands are all icy. And then we want about half a banana to a banana. You can kind of decide how much you want. So I'll put in this size of a banana. And that is good for the frozen stuff. I have with me some liquid sweet drops. So I'm just going to put in a little bit of that. Even though the fruit, I don't think anything really came out there. Tiny bit. The fruit is sweet, but sometimes it needs a little extra sweetness, depending on how sweet you like things. So this is the Booster Juice vanilla. I'm going to show you. So this is what you want to look for when you go into Booster Juice. You'll see it on the side wall. So just grab one, take it to the counter and say, I'd like this. So it's good. They have strawberry chocolate as well. Okay. So I'm just going to dump in 1 scoop of that. And I think we are ready to go. So hopefully that's enough liquid. All right. So take a look at my blender. All those yummy things in there. And let's blend it up. Okay, so let's test this. See if the consistency is what we like and if the flavor is what we like. If not, we need to mix and match a few ingredients to get it just right. So it looks very frothy. I find that the Booster Juice protein powder gets nice and airy and frothy. So if that's what you like, then that's good. But you might want it thinner maybe. So let's give it a little taste. The taste is really good. It is really frothy. You can taste the kale. The mango, that must be the mango. The pear. Yeah, I can taste all those ingredients. And it's very good, but it's very thick. See? Pretty thick. So I might add just a little bit more water. Because I was using freeze-dried kale, you might want a little bit more liquid. If you were using just fresh kale or refreshed freeze-dried kale, then you probably don't need to add any more liquid, but I'll add just a little bit more. So this is a half a cup extra of water. And I'll just mix that up a little bit more. Okay, so let's pour this up. So this will last me the day if I want to have it all day, or you could serve this up into 3 or 4 different servings for people. I'm going to pour some in a glass, but then I'm going to put the rest in a mixer bottle or 2, depending how much I have left over. And then I'll make sure, I don't have it in here, but I'll have a little mixer ball in here so that when I'm ready to have more, I can just easily mix it up and put it in and have it ready whenever I want to go. So it makes it really handy if I'm traveling or out and about running errands, that I can be sipping on that all day if I want. Okay, so let's pour this up. Ready? So it's still pretty thick and frothy. Is that the right word? Frothy. Okay, so it's a very light green with some green specks from the kale. Okay, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So nice summertime fruits in here. You could get the kale from your own yard too, so that's a summer vegetable. But with the banana, the mango is easier to find in the stores in Canada now. And a banana, this is easy. So even though there are smoky days right now, at least where we are, you can have a little bit of summer feel right now with a nice summer smoothie. So I encourage you to try it. And you know what? This is all super healthy. And when we're healthy, we're thriving. So I hope that we'll all have a thriving life. Eat well, drink well, nourish your body well. If you have liked this video, if you want to try this smoothie, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with others so others can try this deliciousness. All right, well, thank you for watching, and until next time.